Okay, let me ask you this question. What will you do with $1,800? Will you spend it or will you invest this money to 10x your earnings? In this video, I want to show you how to make over $1,800 with free images. Don't worry, you don't need any camera for this and you don't even need to snap yourself. Most people do this wrong. But if you watch this video to the end, you will understand how to do it right, because I'm going to be showing you step by step how to make this work for us, and at the end of the day we earn much money doing this. So welcome back. My name is Tosin. If you're new here, subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell button, and also give this video a like, because I do create tons of videos like this that shows you different methods on how to earn money online. So you want to make sure to subscribe to this channel and also turn on notification bell button, so each time when I get fresh ideas like this, you'll be the first one to get notified. So with that being said, let's move on into today's video. The first thing we want to do is that we want to go to Instagram. We want to go find celebrities photo that we're going to be using for this method. Don't worry, you don't need any skills to do this. It is easy and simple. You just need to follow this video to the end so you can understand how it's going to work, because I'm going to show you step by step how it's going to work. Okay, and before we move on, I newly create another channel, so go check it out and also subscribe to that channel, because I also show you different ways there to make money online, so you don't want to miss out. So I will appreciate your support for my other channel. We need a celebrity photos first. Okay, I choose JLo. You can go out there and look for your favorite celebrities photos, or if you don't have any, you can just go to Google and write most famous person, and you'll have tons of famous celebrities on Google. Okay, but from this video I choose JLo, because why I choose JLo is because she looks good and she's known worldwide. Okay, and this is why I choose JLo. So I'm gonna look for one of a unusual photo of her on Instagram. This will be the step number one, to look for celebrities photo. You can search, you can get it on Google, you can also get it on Instagram. Okay, you just go out and do your research. If you don't know where to get it, you can just go to Google search and make your researches. Okay, and that will be the step number one. The step number two is that we want to take a unusual photo of this celebrity. So in this case, I'm going to choose this one here, because in the first look you don't know it's really JLo. Okay, so this is why I'm going to choose this photo. And to choose this photo, you just need to press this 3 points here. Okay, when you click on the 3 points, and we can copy the link. So we want to copy the link, you click here, copy link. So this now takes me to the next step, which is step number 3. We go to this website called downloadgram.com. Okay, we want to just go on Google and search for downloadgram.com, and we want to paste the URL link that we copied on Instagram for the photos. Okay, we want to paste the URL link here and download it to our computer. After downloading it on our computer, so we want to go on Google. So this will be the step number 4. After doing that, I want to go on Google and search for online paint. Don't worry, you don't need any editing knowledge for this. Okay, it is very simple what we're going to do. So I will just go and choose this first one here. Okay, just click on the first one. The name is jspaint.app. So we want to go here and click on files. So we want to upload the file that we download from Instagram. Okay, and this is the JLo photo that we've downloaded from Instagram. So you just want to go on the brochure, and okay, this is a little bit weird. So we want to cover the face a little bit. Okay, this is maybe a little bit too much, but we want to go and I'll leave it like this. We want to cover the face. Okay, for what we're going to be using it for. Don't worry, just make sure you follow this video to the end. At the end of this video, it will make sense. Okay, it might be sounds kind of confused now, but at the end of this video, it's going to make sense in the combination of what we want to do in this video. So we want to save this on our computer. Okay, all right, so now we've saved it. Now we're going to go to step number 5, and step number 5 is we're going to go to Imgo. Okay, that will be the step number 5. We come here to Imgo, and Imgo is a platform where you can share photos and videos. So to similar web, Imgo gets over 220 million active users. Okay, so and the most active users come from United States and Japan, United Kingdom, Canada, Germany. So this is why we want to use this platform in combination of what we're going to be doing today. To use Imgo is very easy. You just need to go up. You will find a place up here at the right side where it's right sign up. Okay, so you click on the sign up and you can sign up. It's very easy to sign up. I think it will just take less than 10 seconds to sign up and register, and you're ready to use Imgo. So the step number 6 is that we want to create a post on Imgo. So to create a post, we just click on new post, and then we're going to choose the photo that we want to post. So we just click on choose. So we will be choosing the photo that we've already edited, okay, the Instagram photo of the celebrity that we downloaded, okay, and we've already edited. So this is what we're going to choose. So on the headline, we want to write something like, can you guess who this is? And we'll leave it like that for now, okay? And then we go to step number 7. Step number 7 is that we want to go to this website here called exe.io. Exe.io is a link URL shortener, and they pay with PayPal, Bitcoins, Payer, and with RTM. Why I chose this platform from all URL link shortener is because it is one of the highest paying URL link shortener, okay, and also they have the lowest minimum payout of $3, guys. So when you have $3, you can cash out, you can withdraw your money. It is so simple as that. So this is why I choose this link URL shortener, and they have over 800,000 registered active users on a daily basis. They have over 1 million clicks. These are testimonies of people already using this URL link shortener. You see, Rafael comes from the United States, and Nazar come from Saudi Arabia, and the other third person come from Australia. So it doesn't matter where you come from, guys. You can combine this method and it will work very good for you. So it doesn't matter where you come from. You can use this platform to earn money and to shorten URL and earn money in these ways. You see, they've been paying actively to their users $40, $4, $6, $7, $9, $10. So they have been paying actively to the user, which is why I like it, because they have a minimum payout, and which is very good for us, guys. Okay, you can always withdraw our money after we get started from $3. You can withdraw the money with Bitcoin, with PayPal, and Paye, and also RTM. So this is why I chose this link URL shortener, guys. So to create our link, we want to click this create link here, okay, and we want to then go back to Instagram. So we're going to copy the link of the celebrity Instagram photos that we want to use, all right, and come back to exe.io and paste it here. So after pasting it here, we click on create. So now we have the shortened URL here down, okay. So this is what we want to copy, all right, and this will be the step number 8. Now copy this shortened URL link, okay, because this is what we're going to be needing. So this takes me to the final step. We want to then go back to imgo.com and write a description for this photo that we want to post on Imgo. So we're going to write something like, to find out who this is, click here, and we're going to paste the shortened URL here, okay. And in this case, many people are going to click this link, and this is how we're going to generate money using this exe.io, okay, and the combination of Instagram celebrity photos. When anybody click on this link, we are going to earn money for that. So this is why it's a very easy method. It's a simple method that you don't need any money to start with, okay, but you need to do this often, and it is free. You earn money when anybody just click on this link. Okay guys, you don't need to persuade anybody to buy anything or to ask for, beg your family and friends to follow you or to be your referral. This is a very simple method which is going to earn money for us effectively. All we need to do is that we need to create a post like this, and when anybody click on this link, we earn money only for just clicking on this link. Okay, and then after doing this, so we're just going to post it on Imgo, and that's it. So when anybody click on this link, we're going to earn money for that. When we have $3, that's the minimum payout. We can then withdraw our money with PayPal or with Bitcoin or with Payee or with RTM. Okay, we can withdraw it with these 4 different type of payout method. So this is it for today guys. All right, I hope you do enjoy this video, and if so, please give this video a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, turn on notification bell button, so each time when I create new videos like this, you will get notified. And even if you want to earn more money online, check out my first recommendation in this video description. I will also leave other videos for you on the screen now, where I show you other different methods to earn even huge money online. So check it out guys, and like as always, thank you for watching this video, and I will see you in the other videos.